Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of skincare to tackle a common nuisance, blackheads. But before we get started, I want to introduce you to a fantastic resource that's been a game changer for me and many others, the Home Doctor book. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, this comprehensive guide is a must-have for your health and wellness arsenal. Check out the link in the description below to grab your copy today. Now, let's talk about blackheads. These pesky little dots can crop up anywhere on your face, often causing frustration and self-consciousness. But fear not. By incorporating the right ingredients into your skincare routine, you can bid farewell to those stubborn blackheads for good. First up on our list of blackhead-busting ingredients is salicylic acid. This beta-hydroxy acid penetrates deep into your pores, dissolving excess oil and dead skin cells that can lead to blackheads. Look for cleansers, toners, and spot treatments containing salicylic acid to keep those pores clear and blackhead-free. Next up, we have benzo peroxide. This potent ingredient not only fights acne but also helps prevent blackheads by reducing inflammation and killing acne-causing bacteria. Incorporate benzo peroxide into your routine with caution, as it can be drying for some skin types. Last but not least, let's talk about retinoids. These vitamin A derivatives are powerhouse ingredients when it comes to combating blackheads. By promoting cell turnover and preventing clogged pores, retinoids effectively keep blackheads at bay while improving overall skin texture and tone. So there you have it, the best ingredients for blackhead prevention: salicylic acid, benzo peroxide, and retinoids. By incorporating products containing these ingredients into your skincare routine, you can achieve clearer, smoother skin in no time. And don't forget to check out the Home Doctor book for even more tips and tricks to keep your skin and body in top shape. Click the link in the description below to get your copy today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous.